So, Pokemon is not feeling too well. He was just trying to see if his new EMF protection hat was going to keep him safe from microwaves. And he had a bad experience he'd like to share with everyone right now. You see it attracts the radiation. Like a fork in a microwave. Not like a Faraday cage. A Faraday cage has to be completely covering you. You have to be insulated from it, and the cage has to be grounded to protect you. Otherwise, it's going to act like an antenna, and it's going to transfer that energy into you. So, it's not going to shield you. It's not going to protect you. This is a good example of what it does. This is the same frequency they use for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, smart meters, and a lot of phones and other devices. Same cause and effect relationship. So, yeah, when you're listening to those Apple pods that you stick in your head, they use the same frequency too. Only a little lower power rating, so you don't see the sparks. No. But it damages the van der Waals bonds. The weak electromagnetic field that holds the double-strand helix together on your DNA. In other words, it causes cancer, as well as neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Huntington's, and CJD. So the next time they tell you microwave radiation is safe because it's non-ionizing, just tell them, yeah, maybe it's not ionizing, but it has its own cause and effect relationship that's not healthy. Ask Pokemon if you doubt me. But he looks happy, so there's that.